Hello everyone. Today let us learn about the autoimmune diseases. So coming to the definition. Autoimmunity is the system of immune response of an organism against its own healthy cells and tissues. Any disease that results from such an aberrant immune response is termed as an autoimmune disease. Antibodies reacting against self-antigens. See here you can see the bone marrow and this is the thymus producing B lymphocyte and T lymphocytes. These are the autoantibodies which react against the self-antigens. These are the T cytotoxic cells which react against the self-antigens resulting in autoimmune disease. So coming to the autoimmune disease, mistakes normal tissue for non-self and begins to attack the tissue in an attempt the body to destroy it. Autoimmune disease arise from an abnormal immunoresponse of the body against the substances and tissues normally present in the body, that is autoimmunity. The role of the immune system is to keep the body healthy by destroying that which it perceives to be non-self. So the tissues of the body affected by autoimmune diseases: thyroid, blood, GI tract, nerves, lungs, skin, muscles, bones and brain. And what are the factors which trigger this autoimmune diseases? Stress, hormones, metals, food antigens, pesticides and poisons. So coming to the disease, that is myasthenia gravis. So this is the normal muscle cell. This is the nerve cell producing acetylcholine. This is the nerve cell producing acetylcholine. This is normal and this is myasthenia gravis. What happens here in myasthenia gravis? Antibodies are produced here. So the signal is blocked, leading to paralysis in the muscle cells. Here is the normal cell. There is normal contraction in the muscle cells. Here it is paralysis occurring in the myasthenia gravis disease. So normal immune response in autoimmune disease. Let us see the difference between normal and the autoimmune diseases. In normal immune response, an invader like a virus enters the body. Immune cells called lymphocytes create antibodies to fight the invaders. This is the virus and this is the antibodies produced. Whereas in autoimmune diseases, immune system creates antibodies that attack your own cells. This happens because a foreign substance resembles bodily substances. Normal body cells become altered. Lymphocytes malfunction and make abnormal antibodies. So these are the list of autoimmune diseases. Arthritis type, rheumatoid arthritis, ankylosing spondylitis, systemic lupus, erythematosus. In the GI tract it is Crohn's disease, ulcerative colitis. In thyroid it is Hashimoto's thyroiditis, Graves' disease. In adrenal glands it is Addison's disease. Coming to the hair and skin, it is alopecia and psoriasis. In nervous system, it is multiple sclerosis and myasthenia gravis and narcolepsy. Vasculitis, it is polymyalgia rheumatoide and giant cell arthritis. Thank you all for watching. Images used from the website for the explanation purpose belongs to the respective owners. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye-bye.